So I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube that claim you can make money online just by testing websites. I wanted to test this claim, so I've done a bit of research and come across a company called UserTesting. Alright, so if you've never heard of it before, UserTesting is pretty much a company that pays you to test websites, digital products and apps. So the idea is pretty simple. Big companies want to know how real people like you and me use their app, use their website or use their online service. When you get a test, you'll record your entire screen. A little window at the top will come up and it'll ask you questions whilst you're going through the website. So each test usually pays around $4 to $10. You can sometimes do these like live interview, which you can get like $30 to $60. Yeah, seems pretty good, but yeah, let's go do a 4-hour shift of it. Okay, so the time has now come to start my user testing shift. It is currently 1:03 PM. I'm probably gonna go till about 5 o'clock, maybe 5:30 if I'm feeling it, but I'll take you through the whole process when I eventually get a test and show you what it's like. But yeah, I'll keep you updated throughout my 4-hour shift. So just quickly, I just want to show you how the screening process works. So pretty much you get these screeners here, which you can see, and you have to answer questions. So are you currently employed at an automotive company or automotive supplier? I'm just going to say yes, because I know that will get me on to the next question. Right, pretty good. Okay, so only a few minutes in, and we've just managed to get our first test. So yeah, I'm just gonna sort of record myself doing a little snippet of it so you can just see what it's like. So that's the first test done. Literally only a few minutes into the shift, so that is $10 added to our balance. Yeah, that was pretty easy. It only took about 6 minutes. So yeah, keep you updated. Hopefully we get some more tests. Once the new page fully loads, move on to the next step. So yep, that's my second test uploading, which is sick. Okay, so it's just about 2 o'clock now, so we are roughly an hour into our shift, and we've had 2 tests, which is actually really good. So that amounts to about $20, as it's $10 per test. So I don't know what $20 is in pounds, but I'll put it up on the screen right now just so you can see what our hourly rate is at the moment. But yeah, I'll keep you updated, and then I'll do another update every hour if nothing's happened. So yeah, I'll see you on the next update. So we're now 2 hours into the user testing shift, and I've had no more tests so far, not even any screeners or anything. So our total is still $20, but that brings our hourly total down to $10 per hour, which I believe is around £7 something an hour, maybe £6 something an hour. So yeah, not ideal. I'm going to keep going for the next couple hours and I will keep you updated. Hello, so it's currently 8 minutes to 4 and we've still had no tests whatsoever, so that is really disappointing news. I'm half tempted to end this shift early. I'm going to give user testing another 20-25 minutes, and if I still don't get any tests, I'm going to end the challenge early. So yeah, I'll see you in 20-25 minutes. So as a quick summary, we made $20 in 3 hours and 20 minutes. This equates to £14.93, and this brings our hourly wage to £4.66 an hour. So user testing might not be able to replace your job. However, I think as a side hustle, it's not that bad, especially if your sort of computer's always open. You can just have user testing in another tab and it will just ping you whenever a screener comes up. So yeah, there's potential to earn a bit of extra money on the side. If you'd like me to test out any other sort of online side hustles or anything, just let me know in the comments, because it's a fun thing to do in my free time, and obviously everyone likes earning a little bit of extra money, so I'm happy to test new things. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.